Here we need to find the equation of the line tangent to the graph of y at the given point. And our function is y equals sine inverse of negative x over 14. And we need to find the equation of the line tangent to that graph at the point 7, comma, negative pi over 6. If this function were just sine inverse of x, we could find the derivative relatively simply, just by using one of our inverse trig derivative formulas, because we know the derivative of sine inverse of x is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. But here, our angle x is negative x over 14. It's not just x. So we'll have to use the chain rule. So here we'll let our inside function, u, be negative 1/14 x. So that means that u prime will be negative 1/14. And then we'll let the outside function be sine inverse of u. That means that y prime will be 1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared. And our derivative using the chain rule is u prime times y prime, which is negative 1 over 14 times the square root of 1 minus u squared. Now we need to go back to terms of x instead of terms of u. So everywhere we see u in the derivative, we're going to plug in negative 1/14 x, or negative x over 14. And that gives us negative 1 over 14 times the square root of 1 minus x squared over 196. Now let's evaluate this derivative when x is equal to 7, because this will give us the slope of the tangent line when x is equal to 7. That'll give us negative 1 over 14 times the square root of 1 minus x squared, but here x is 7, so that gives us 49 over 196. Now let's get a common denominator under the square root and combine our terms. That gives us negative 1 over 14 times the square root of 147 over 196. Now let's simplify this square root of 147 over 196. We know that 196 is a perfect square in the denominator, and the square root of 196 is 14. And now the 14s will divide out. That gives us negative 1 over the square root of 147. But we can simplify the square root of 147 into 7 times the square root of 3. So the slope of our tangent line when x equals 7 is negative 1 over 7 times the square root of 3. Now let's use that fact to come up with the equation of our tangent line. So we'll have y minus the y coordinate is minus pi over 6. That equals the slope of the tangent line at 7, which is negative 1 over 7 square roots of 3, times x minus our x coordinate, which is 7. Then we'll distribute on the right side of the equation, and then subtract pi over 6 from both sides to isolate y. And when we do, we get y equals negative x over 7 square roots of 3 plus 1 over square root of 3 minus pi over 6. And that is the equation of the tangent line to our graph when x equals 7.